It's John Champion and Jim Beglin alongside me here at Old Trafford.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
He plays it through. Now the chance! Cleared away from immediate danger. Plays it through. It's through. Can he now find a finish? Possibilities here. Oh, he has scored! They couldn't have asked for a better opening.
Oh, this early goal augurs so well for what's to come. Now the opposition must respond, and it could serve up a really open attacking game.
He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes, and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
They've got off to a very good start.
I think that goal will give them great confidence now, though they can't afford to become complacent. That would be silly at this stage.
He goes looking for his teammate. Penalised for that challenge. He knocks it in. Header! And he tries again. A great header that, real bravery shown.
Yeah, and those runs from deep are always difficult for a defence to pick up, but he still had to throw himself at it to get his head on it.
Slides it through. Oh, he's having a dig. They were so nearly punished for their mistake. Looking to carve open the defence. It's come through to him. Now he's ready for a shot. Skillfully hit, and he makes absolutely no mistake. A moment of significance for Manchester United. The game restarts with the scores level again.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Throw in. Wants to get this forward. Good support. And down he goes! Penalty given. Good decision by the ref too, I think. He got nowhere near the ball and caught the man. It's hard to say who has the mental advantage here. The keeper doing his best to read which way he'll go. Puts it away. He made no mistake from the spot.
Well, the keeper probably felt he could read that, but he's guessed completely wrongly. He's gone to the other side.
They've got a precious one-goal lead. Nice bout of passing. Low ball in, and the cross met firmly. And that's been intercepted. Now a chance for a cross from the flank, and he'll drive it here. And a shot here, and it's taken with some style. This is turning out to be quite a contest.
Oh, this is a real show of character. Rather than let their heads drop, they've stood proud and fought hard. Brilliant.
You put that down to good finishing or to poor defending?
Well, I'd put that down to great anticipation. He was on the move before any defender reacted. Wonderful.
They're back level again.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Flicks it over the top. He can take the shot on here. He's got in. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. This could be interesting. Cut out in a promising position. Got it. Tries to slide it past the defence. That's the end of the danger for now. Tried to play it through. He's latched onto it. He's looking to play it into the channel. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee. Looking to thread it through. Possibility here. He struck that really cleanly. A fine display of slick passing. It's come through to him nicely. Could be a chance now. And he'll get the shot away here. And he makes absolutely no mistake. And that completes the comeback.
Well, that's a finish that'll be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess we'll be eulogising about it for a long time too. Wonderful.
He just went all the way. It's a treat, that one. They now lead by 1 goal.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
Only 1 goal in it here with 5 minutes remaining before half-time. And that won't be making it through. And that's been intercepted. Looking to thread it through. This could be interesting. Chance. How about it? How about that? It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. What a way to complete a hat-trick.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display, what a player.
So we resume, and the gap is now 2.
Yeah, they may well be 2 up now, but the beauty of this game is that it can all change in a flash.
It's come through to him. He's onside. A shot. Turn back in. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
I just think they've knocked the ball about really well. And, you know, made the opposition chase it all over the pitch, but importantly, they've got that lead.
2 goals separate the teams. He plays it through. He's onside here. It's a good hit. There it is. They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. He was allowed far too much space.
Well, players usually thrive if they don't stray too far from a pretty central position. It's just a case of waiting for your chance.
They now enjoy a 3-goal lead. Plays this forward. They're breaking out quickly here. Intercepted. And the shot from distance. Not on this occasion.
Well, that was worth the effort. I mean, it was a long way out, but he caught it so well.
Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. Here's a ball in. It's on for him. It's on for him. And he'll shoot! And he's offside, the flag is up.
Good call, he was just behind the last defender.
This goes for a throw-in. We're into the last half hour of the game. He's got in. Plays this forward, got it. He's looking to play it into the channel. They're off on the counter. Easy pickings, really. Looking to carve open the defence. It's through, a chance. Nothing really to worry the keeper there.
Okay, they've got nothing to show for it, but that was a really incisive counter-attack, and it's hard to defend against that type of breakaway.
He wasn't far from finding the net again.
Well, there's no doubt that the whole team revolves around him now. He leads by example, and he's become the main pivot. Cracking player.
Puts it back.
Well, it's good possession, but you've got to have something more substantial on the end of it.
And now the counter-attack. Out towards the corner flag. Oh, and he'll be disappointed with that. He's been flagged offside. Slides it through. He takes a shot. Almost made it 6 for the day. Chance for a shot. Another goal. They really have taken them apart now.
Yeah, when the attacker's on his toes while defenders are still on their heels, there's only going to be one winner. Need I explain more?
Surely they're well and truly out of sight now. We've reached the last 15 minutes of the game. A shot, and it's come back off the bar. Denied yet again by the woodwork. A timely intervention. Tried to play it through. He hits it. And that's gone wide of the left-hand post.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
Great chance for the counter. A switch of play. Wants to get this forward. It's opened up nicely for him. And he crosses to the centre, and no danger there from that cross. He plays it towards the corner flag. Now, what can they do with this? Oh, it's been cut out. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. And play switched across. The pass needed to be better there. Wants to get this forward. Here's a shot and a goal. They're clearly in no mood just to sit on their lead. He was allowed far too much space.
Well, we've just seen intelligent football from intelligent footballers. That's honed on the training ground and lovely when it comes off on match day.
There's the final whistle, signalling the end of 90 minutes. Where some teams may have panicked, they showed real team solidarity, always working for each other tirelessly.